Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd subject GK chapter 16 start of the sports. The Olympics are conducted once in 4 years and there is a summer Olympics and the winter Olympics. Name the 5 continents that take part in Olympics. First is America, AMERICA. Second is Asia, ASIA. Third is Africa, AFRICA. D is Europe, EUROPE. And the last one is Australia, AUSTRALIA. So there is a 5 continents that take part in Olympics. Now question number B. Name the sport. One is played in the summer Olympics and the other is the winter. Mark them S and W. Just first we will write the name, and the first you can see the picture of badminton sports. So write the spelling BADMINTO and badminton, and we are playing this game in summer, so here write S. Now the second one is snowboarding, and the spelling SNOWBOARDING, and we are playing in winter, so write here W. And third is archery, and the spelling ARCHERY, and we are playing in summer. Now the fourth one is sky jumping, and the spelling SKIJUMPING, and we are playing in winter. So here we have completed 16. Now come to the 17. Number stories. Let's go shopping for your stationery. So here first question is, how much money would you need to buy a pencil and eraser at the school store? And yeah, answer is, so here they have given you the stationery and their price. So just count the pencil and the eraser money. 5 plus 4, 9. So how many rupees? 9. Now second, you have 30 rupees. You brought a pair of scissors. How much money do you have left? So here you have 30 rupees and you buy the scissors. So the price of scissor is 25. So how many left? 5. Third, you have 10 rupees. You brought a sharpener. How much is left? What can you buy with that money? So here you have 10 rupees and you have buy sharpener. So you have to minus 10 minus 3. How much left? 7. Now the 7 rupees is left, so you can buy any other stationery. So you can buy the pencil, sharpener or eraser. Okay, so you can buy a pencil or an eraser or sharpener. You have 5 rupees. How much more do you need to buy a ruler? So you have 5 rupees and how much so the price of ruler is 12 and you have 5 rupees. So how much you will plus in 5 you get? You get the ruler. So you have 5. So how much you will add the number? So you get the 12. So we will add the 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Now if you want to buy all of them, how much money should you have? So you have to calculate all the money and we will write the price over here. So here 25 plus 12 is 37, 37 plus 3 40, 40 plus 4 44, and 44 plus 5 49. So how many money you want for buy this all? 49. So here we have completed the 17 and the 16. So you have to do this work in your textbook only. Thank you.